Welcome back, everyone. Let's go ahead and talk about exactly how to delete an iOS update on your phone. So just in case you installed an update and you don't want to actually install it, or if it's taking up too much memory, let's go ahead and delete it from our device basically. So what you want to do is you want to start off by going into your settings app just like so. Once you're here, all you want to do is go ahead and scroll down until you get into general. So you want to go and click general right there. Once you're here, you'll see that there's this little option called iPhone storage. What you want to do is you want to go ahead and click on that little iPhone storage toggle. Now, once you're here, you'll pretty much see a ton of different apps. The first section will go ahead and show you kind of a breakdown of your storage on your device. You'll then see this little option over here. But what you want to do is you want to locate any update in this bottom panel that says something like iOS 14 update or iOS 14.5 or iOS X.X update, whatever the numbers are. You want to go ahead and locate those in the specific panel and essentially delete it. So as you can see, I don't think I have any update here installed or downloaded for that matter. I'll go ahead and scroll through. As you guys can see, I don't see any update for me. So what you would do is once you do see that update, you would go ahead and click on the update just like so, and you'll be able to read more about it. It'll go ahead and tell you, this iOS update does this and this maybe, but it probably will tell you a breakdown of the storage on your device. All you have to do is click delete update, delete setting, whatever it tells you to do. You want to go ahead and click delete this update or whatever it says. That is essentially how you go ahead and do it. As I mentioned, I don't have that specific update here downloaded, but that's all you have to do. You have to search through this whole entire thing, see where it's downloaded on your device, see where it's downloaded on here, click on it, click delete, and then you're pretty much set and good to go. So if you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.